You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing words, food names and French cooking terms that many get wrong. For reference, in French this is said as jus. Jus, silent S because it's French and it's got this specific U sound, jus. Now in English this is generally said as jus, jus. Yes, this means juice in French, as in an orange juice would be called a jus d'orange, but it's also a type of sauce, jus, in English, jus. And now you know more videos for you to learn more correct pronunciations of words that many get confused by. Like this video if you found this video useful. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.